Social engineering is a manipulation technique used by criminals to trick individuals into sharing confidential information. It preys on the basic human instinct to trust others and take requests at face value. Criminals take advantage of this to steal personal or organizational information and commit malicious activity. Scams that leverage social engineering can occur in person or via email, text messages, or phone calls. They're often disguised as coming from a trusted source, like a friend or family member. If a victim lets their guard down, the criminal creates a sense of urgency and asks for confidential data, like a password or a bank account number. Once obtained, that information can be used to access online accounts, steal money, and impersonate individuals or organizations. If you receive an unexpected request from a seemingly legitimate source, always confirm the requester's identity before taking any action.